Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kawai neki jelang kabahe ban Kynmaw Burom ya Lyngkhuh Sngi kabah nyop kendai Jong melong Soso Tham. Kabala pelong hakakat praterek mentau benai nopra arja ka kendai. Lasaki hakani ganong ba Shillong kadai kabala pelong dekat Nat Arts and Culture Jong ka Sorkar jela. Bat las dangi ni jelang hakani ka Sngi da ka jingli bo sentiau hau maddor Jong melong Soso Tham ubadan ha Palau Jong ka State Central Library Shillong. Hakani ka Sngi lai dorongkat ru uwai ni kinu hikai Jong ka skol ba North Eastern Hill University na katnat Cultural and Creative Studies u Professor Desmond Karmoklang kom u kongsan ringkat kajian lang u Director Jong katnat Arts and Culture u ba W Nong Sien u ba Kirbor W Nong Rom na ka Khasi Author Society bat kibahi yang asam Jong melong Soso Tham.
Soso Tham assumed many personalities. He was a multifaceted character. We know him, or we know of his work as one of the best advocates of Kasi philosophy, of Kasi literature. We know him as translator, we know him as prophet. But I think we should focus more on his contributions as a visionary, a person who was able to see into the future, a person who took upon himself this significant task of addressing the society that he saw with sensitivity and with great passion. Some of his works might strike you as being childlike, in the way that he addresses nature, in the way that he addresses the world that he saw around him. But then this childlike sensitivity should not and cannot be mistaken for immaturity. He was, in his works, he displayed and demonstrated the most profound maturity when he took up issues that still has great relevance in this day and time. It was also a period which saw the waning years of British imperialism, and I'm sure this has had a tremendous impact on the kind of ideas and the kind of notions that were playing in his mind, that were playing in the mind of Soso Tham. Because the very sentiments that were reflected in his magnum opus, which is Burom, gives us a candid and a very profound reflection of this time. He was also part of this great movement that was initiated at that point of time, which saw this explosion of literary outburst in Kasi literature. In fact, many have called this period the Renaissance of Kasi literature.
The musics of both are dramatized, and the first essential of the poem is feeling, so a poet creates imagination. Soso Tham was not only a poet laureate, but a great patriot. But his first publication is a prose, that is Kynmaw u Aesop Fable, published in the year 1920, which is a famous translation work of Soso Tham, which contained 210 chapters. Later, he translated Charles Dickens' works, Life of Our Lord, and named it as Jing Utra Jesu. He has also written 4 essays. This is a legends, Kadu, Katang, and Karam. Another one is Katiu Lalangi, then the Pret, and the last one is Kayu Luli Rura, which published after his death by his son, Primrose Katpo, in the year 1941, in his book, which published in the year 1941. Soso Tham died on 18 December 1940 and buried at the cemetery of the Church of England, at present known as All Saints Church Cemetery near Military Hospital, Shillong.
She's